Hey guys, and welcome to another video from Dainty Bite. Today's recipe is all about marshmallows and how easy and quick they are to make. Learn from all my tips and tricks and also mistakes to make the perfect marshmallow recipe the first time. Let me show you how to make them and let's get started. I'm gonna start with prepping a 9-inch square pan. I'm gonna spray it with baking spray, or you can brush it with vegetable oil. Try to cover all sides and edges very well, and then you're gonna cover it with powdered sugar. Try to cover all the sides and edges. If you don't do that, the marshmallow is gonna stick to the pan and you're not gonna be able to release it. In my stand mixer, I'm gonna empty 3 packages of gelatin powder and add half a cup of water. Mix very well. Set aside to work on the sugar mixture. Over medium heat, I'm gonna cook 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. To that, I'm gonna add half a cup of water and 1¼ cups of corn syrup, light corn syrup. If you don't like to use corn syrup for any reason, you can substitute with honey, a very light colored honey, and it should work. You're gonna cook the sugar to a soft ball stage, and that means 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 116 Celsius. The best thing is to have a candy thermometer for sure. If you don't have one, the best way to test is by drizzling a small amount of the sugar syrup from a spoon into a cup of cold water. If it forms a soft ball, that means the sugar is ready. And that will take several minutes, so be patient. I'll be leaving all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And the temperature is at 240. I'm gonna remove from the heat and I'm gonna add it slowly to the stand mixer that has the gelatin in it, and I'm gonna mix on high. And 1 minute later, you'll start to see a white, foamy, marshmallowy goodness. And as soon as it looks something like this, you're gonna dump it into our prepared square pan. And from here on, you're gonna work very fast. Dump the whole thing into our prepared pan because it's gonna set very quickly. And you're gonna wait 4 to 5 hours before slicing into it, and your marshmallow will be ready. And while I'm waiting to slice the first batch of marshmallows, I made another batch, and this one I'm gonna color it and just have fun with it for a different project. But the trick is to work very fast before the marshmallow sets, and it won't pipe that easily at this point. So try to work as fast as possible and pipe any pretty shape you like. Back to our original project, I'm gonna show you how to cut the marshmallows. Once again, powdered sugar is your friend when it comes to this recipe. I'm gonna add lots of powdered sugar to a parchment paper and then flip the marshmallow tray onto the powdered sugar. You're gonna use powdered sugar while you cut the marshmallows. Also add it to the knife, it's gonna make it easier. Or you can use a floss to cut across. It works very well to use a floss. And cut as big or as small as you want your piece. For me, I'm making s'mores for the kids, So this size is perfect. I really hope you give this marshmallow recipe a try. They turned out awesome, and this is the first time I'm making them. They're so simple to make. I highly recommend trying them at home. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And until next time, bon appétit!